Are you looking to add those catchy TikTok sounds to your CapCut videos, all right from your PC? Maybe you've seen creators spice up their edits with viral audio, and you want to do the same. In today's tutorial, I'll show you just how quick and easy it is to bring TikTok music into CapCut on your computer. By the end of this video, you'll be able to find the perfect audio for your edits, making your content more engaging and share-worthy, whether you're posting back on TikTok, Instagram, or anywhere else. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open up the CapCut app on your PC. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you can grab it from the official CapCut website. It's free and works seamlessly on Windows and Mac. Once you have CapCut open, go ahead and start a new project. If you already have a video you're working on, simply open that existing project. Don't worry if you're new to the software. CapCut's layout is clean and easy to navigate, so you won't get lost. Think of this first step as choosing your canvas for a painting. You need a workspace before you can add your creative touches. Now, direct your attention to the Audio tab, which you'll find in the top left corner of the CapCut interface. This tab is your gateway to all things sound-related in CapCut. Click on it to open up a variety of options. Even if you've used CapCut on mobile before, the PC version gives a bit more breathing room for exploration. By clicking the Audio tab, you signal that you're ready to work with sound, which is such a crucial part of any compelling video. Here's where the magic happens. Inside the Audio tab, look for the search bar or the area where you can browse for sounds. Type in TikTok and hit enter. Within seconds, you'll see a whole selection of TikTok music and sound effects appear. CapCut curates trending tracks, popular sound bites, and a variety of tunes linked to TikTok's audio library. This method saves you so much time compared to hunting down music files online or trying to record audio clips yourself. It's a bit like walking into a music store and having all the songs organized by popularity and vibe. Super convenient. If you want even more specialized options, you can switch over to sound effects. In the sound effects section, look for the TikTok category. Here, CapCut groups audio specifically designed for TikTok-style videos. Everything from meme-worthy sound bites to short musical stingers and familiar viral audio. This makes it simple to match the audio to your video's mood, whether you're making a dance clip, a quick recipe, a travel montage, or something entirely unique. Don't worry if you feel overwhelmed by the choices. You can always preview each sound before deciding. Sometimes you may land on a track that feels just right, or maybe you'll keep searching for something even better. Once you've found the TikTok sound you love, just click on it and add it to your timeline. You can trim, loop, or adjust the volume until it fits perfectly with your visuals. Remember, sound drives emotion, so the right audio can make your video pop and connect with your audience in seconds. And that's all there is to it. Adding TikTok sounds to CapCut on your PC is a breeze, and now you know exactly where to look and how to bring those viral vibes into your own edits. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button. It really helps out the channel. Drop any questions in the comments below, especially if you run into any snags or want to share your favorite TikTok sounds. And don't forget to subscribe for more clear, step-by-step tutorials on video creation. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!